Deep in the heart of Silicon Valley, amidst the gleaming skyscrapers and the hum of innovation, there exists a world where machines think. Artificial intelligence is no longer a futuristic fantasy. It's a present-day reality transforming every facet of our lives. From self-driving cars to virtual assistants, AI's tendrils reach far and wide. But its influence is about to get even more profound. The next frontier for AI is science itself. It's a field that has long been the domain of human brilliance, but now AI is stepping into the lab coat and joining the scientific revolution. You might be wondering, why science, and what does AI bring to the table that humans don't? Well, fasten your seatbelts, because we're about to take a wild ride through the world of artificial intelligence and science. Get ready to discover how AI is becoming the ultimate lab partner, accelerating discoveries and solving problems that once seemed intractable. But first, why does science need AI? Well, just like any good team, it's all about synergy. Science is all about understanding the world around us, analyzing data, making discoveries, and solving problems. Traditionally, this has been the domain of the brilliant minds of scientists who spend years poring over data, running experiments, and making breakthroughs. However, with the advent of AI, a new player has entered the field, and it's changing the game. AI, or artificial intelligence, is the simulation of human intelligence processes by machines, especially computer systems. These processes include learning, reasoning, and self-correction. In other words, AI can learn from data, identify patterns, and make predictions based on that data. So, why is this important for science? Well, in many scientific disciplines, analyzing vast amounts of data is a time-consuming process that often involves sifting through countless samples and observations to find patterns and insights. This not only takes a lot of time, but it's also prone to human error. Enter AI, with its ability to process vast amounts of data quickly and accurately. AI can help scientists accelerate their research and make new discoveries faster than ever before. One area where AI is already making waves is in drug discovery. Developing new drugs is a long and expensive process that typically takes years and billions of dollars. But AI is helping researchers by analyzing large datasets of molecular structures and identifying potential drug candidates. This could significantly speed up the process of developing new treatments for diseases. Another area where AI is making an impact is in materials science. Researchers are using AI to analyze the properties of different materials and predict how they will behave under different conditions. This could lead to the development of new materials with enhanced properties for use in everything from solar cells to aircraft. Now, let us talk about some amazing examples of how AI is already being used in various scientific fields. Take, for example, the Protein Data Bank, which contains 3D structural information about proteins. Proteins are the building blocks of life, and understanding their structure is crucial for developing new drugs and therapies. However, experimentally determining these structures can be challenging. That's where AlphaFold DeepMind's AI system comes in. AlphaFold uses deep learning algorithms to predict the structure of proteins from their amino acid sequence. It has the potential to revolutionize drug discovery and other areas of biology. Then we have the European Space Agency's ESA use of AI to detect cosmic events. ESA has developed an AI system that can identify and classify cosmic events such as gamma-ray bursts and supernova. This can help astronomers study these phenomena in more detail and learn more about the universe. But perhaps even more exciting is the use of AI in climate science. Climate models are incredibly complex and require massive amounts of computing power. AI can help by analyzing vast amounts of climate data and identifying patterns and trends. This can help scientists better understand climate change and develop more effective solutions to this global challenge. And here's another fascinating application. Google DeepMind's AI system called UNIT is being used to analyze medical images such as MRI scans to detect diseases like cancer. This could help doctors diagnose patients earlier and more accurately, leading to better treatment outcomes. These are just a few examples of the many ways that AI is being used in science today. And as AI technology continues to develop, we can expect to see even more applications emerge. The benefits of using AI in science are clear. AI can help scientists analyze vast amounts of data quickly and accurately, leading to new discoveries and a better understanding of the world around us. But as with any powerful tool, it's important to use AI responsibly. One of the biggest challenges associated with AI is bias. AI systems are only as good as the data they are trained on, and if that data is biased, then the AI system will also be biased. This can lead to unfair or inaccurate results, which is why it's important to ensure that AI systems are trained on diverse and representative datasets. Another challenge associated with AI is the potential for job displacement. As AI systems become more sophisticated, they may be able to perform some tasks better and more efficiently than humans. This could lead to job losses in some sectors, which is why it's important to invest in education and training, so that people are prepared for the jobs of the future. Despite these challenges, the potential benefits of AI in science are simply too great to ignore. By using AI responsibly and addressing these challenges head-on, we can harness the power of AI to make groundbreaking discoveries and improve our understanding of the world around us. Now, let us take a look at some specific examples of how AI is being used in different scientific fields. In astronomy, for example, AI is being used to analyze data from telescopes and other instruments to identify planets, stars, and galaxies. This is allowing astronomers to make discoveries about the universe that were never before possible. In physics, AI is being used to simulate the behavior of particles and other objects at the atomic and subatomic level. This is helping physicists understand the fundamental laws of nature and develop new technologies. In chemistry, AI is being used to design new molecules and materials with specific properties. This has applications in everything from drug development to solar cells. And as we've already discussed, AI is also being used in biology to analyze DNA sequences and predict protein structures. This is leading to breakthroughs in our understanding of genetics and the development of new treatments for diseases. But AI's role in science goes beyond just analyzing data. It's also being used to develop new instruments and tools that are making scientific research more efficient and accurate. For example, AI-powered robots are being developed that can perform complex tasks in the laboratory with greater precision and accuracy than humans. These robots can automate repetitive tasks, freeing up scientists to focus on more creative and strategic work. Additionally, AI is being used to develop new imaging techniques that allow scientists to see the world around us in new ways. For example, AI-powered microscopes are being developed that can image cells and other tiny objects with greater resolution than traditional microscopes. In conclusion, the role of AI in science is becoming increasingly important. AI is helping scientists analyze vast amounts of data, make new discoveries, and solve problems faster than ever before. While there are challenges associated with AI, the potential benefits are simply too great to ignore. By using AI responsibly and continuing to invest in research and development, we can harness the power of AI to make groundbreaking discoveries and improve our understanding of the world around us. Who knows what other exciting applications of AI in science we will see in the future? One thing is for sure, the future of science is bright, and AI is leading the way. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this. Your support helps us continue producing high-quality content.